What's good, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. This is the first video since I came back from GAT, or Gatlinburg, the Slammed Enough event out there. If you haven't seen that video already, I'm gonna leave a link to that video right here. Today, I'm gonna have a quick little video for y'all. We're doing a little minor change to the car today, as you can see from the thumbnail and title. Let's get right into it. Okay, so I feel like the interior to the car is just, it's a little dull, it's a little boring, So what we are going to be doing today is taking the interior from looking like this to looking like this. And the way we're going to be able to do that is these two products right here. These two products are from One Up Lighting. So I'm going to show y'all how to do the install in a second. But if you're interested in using these or anything else they got on the website, I believe they have like you can change like the headlights out to be like colorful RGB, or if you want like the lining underneath your car all the way around, they have all types of stuff like that on the website. So go check them out. And also, if you do buy something, make sure you use my code right here, HeavyChevy, to get you some money off on whatever you buy. Let's get into it, and we're gonna start installing both of these right here. Okay, so this is everything that comes in the Starlight package. You got these wipes right here. You got the Starlight thing itself. You have a little screwdriver. You got the 3M tape, and then you have the button to turn it on and off. The reason why I chose going with this is because, most people that use the Starlight things, you have to like take the whole ceiling out, poke a bunch of holes in it, and cut it. I feel like that was way too much. So this is a lot easier, and you'll see in just a second how easy it is. So first thing we are going to do is take this wipe right here, the wet wipe. We're gonna wipe down this little section on the back of the center console, and then we'll take the dry wipe, and then we'll wipe off any leftover residue, and then we'll end up installing and plugging in the light itself. Okay, so now we're going to take this little 3M sticker right here, and we are going to attach it to this little bottom metal piece right here. And then once we get that attached, we'll stick it on right here where we just wiped off it. Okay, so we have it attached onto the center console, as you can see. Now what we have to do is plug this little USB port into this socket. Now, fortunately, I do have a little what is it called, like a little power socket thing. So let's get this plugged in real quick. All right, as you can see, we got it all plugged in, and without cutting or anything, we now have Starlights. Looks really good. Okay, so now we're gonna add the lights into the footwells on both sides. So how we're gonna do that is these wires right here. All you gotta do is just peel off the 3M and stick them onto wherever you're trying to put them, and plug this in, and it should work. All right, so we got the footwells lights all together and in. I have to end up working on the cable management soon, but the good thing about this is it's connected by Bluetooth, so you can either turn it on or off with this button here. And also what you do is you connect it, then you download the app that'll be on, it's on the little product thing right here. It's like a little QR scan code, and then you'll download this app. And once you download the app, you'll press scan and connect to the footwell thing, and then you could control it through your phone. So if you want to go red, you can go red, or you go pink, green. You can do it all through your phone. Then you got different modes and stuff. How many modes is that? Jesus Christ, 72 different modes. You could strobe, you could do all types of stuff here. But yeah, that's crazy. And boom, so we got the Starlights and we got the footwells. So it's all connected, it looks really good. It's very simple, it doesn't take long, probably like 10-15 minutes to do. Very simple, very easy install. Make sure you use code HeavyChevy once you buy your kit. And let me know how you like it in the comments. But that's gonna be it for this video here. We got everything installed. Looks pretty clean, pretty nice. Nothing too hard to put together or whatever. Also, one more thing. I have another sponsorship, just in case you guys are interested. I'm also sponsored or partnered with Beamer Plug. Beamer Plug sells all type of things. Like they have front lips. If you want a new hood for your car or the mirror caps, like they got a bunch of stuff. Wings, spoilers, diffusers, whatever you need for a BMW, they got it. So make sure you go over to beamerplug.com. Link will be in the description. And also you can use code HeavyChevy there as well. So you'll get money off if you use my code for Beamer Plug and also 1UP Lighting. Links will be in the description. Also with Beamer Plug, they don't just sell BMW stuff. They also have Benz, Porsche, I believe, like all the German cars. I believe they got stuff for Toyota Supras, like all types of stuff like that. So make sure you go over to Beamer Plug, code HeavyChevy over at checkout. That way you get some money off. But that's gonna be it for this video here. Make sure you guys leave a like, subscribe. But I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out.